So these adverse childhood events are traumatic events that occur in the early ages of life. This can include enduring or being exposed to abuse, neglect, family violence, the arrest of a family member, mental illness in the family. The separation of your parents can also count as an adverse childhood event, or substance abuse amongst family members, and even the death of a relative can negatively impact your later life if these occur at a young enough age. And so pretty much everyone knows someone that has experienced something like the death of a relative, parental separation, abuse or neglect in some way. And so people who have experienced 4 or more adverse childhood events in their lifetime have an overall increased likelihood of later adverse health, obesity, potentially smoking, imprisonment, later life issues, compared to someone who hasn't experienced an adverse childhood event. And so by preventing ACEs, we could reduce the number of adults with depression by as much as 44%. So that shows you just how much of an impact adverse childhood events have on later life, adult life, and the quality of life as you get older.